How to fix an error occurred while updating on Steam. Occasionally, minor glitches or temporary software conflicts can prevent a game from updating. Restarting your computer can refresh system settings and resolve these minor issues. If that didn't work, corrupted or missing game files can lead to errors. Steam offers a feature to check and replace any incorrect files. Go to the Installed Files section. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files and wait till the process is complete. Launch the game as normal. If that didn't work, cache helps in speeding up processes, but sometimes it might get corrupted or overloaded, leading to issues. The library folder contains all your game installations. If there's an issue with its permissions, games might fail to update. Now try again and your problem should be fixed. Many users managed to fix an error occurred while updating on Steam after disabling the administrator's access to the affected game.